is up, guys? It's Morrison behind the camera, and I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and also stay tuned because there's gonna be a lot of pingers. And welcome back to a camp fire lit video. See you guys in a little bit, and we're out.
You guys see?
Rasen, come in.
What's up, guys? Good morning. This is breakfast. Come on, did you eat?
Yeah, I did too.
Light breakfast.
Yeah, there's the one.
We got some eggs,
There's donut over
scrambled
here.
eggs. And we're gonna go to the beach.
Iwai. There's. Oh,
Did you guys eat?
Mama, here's donuts over here.
M3E Squad, come, let's eat.
What's this?
You wanna eat?
Oh, that's some chicken right there.
This is donut.
That's from last night.
Just got it.
Well, we heat them up again. And we gotta eat them for breakfast. Jenna, let's eat. See that? When you do camping, eggs,
Oh,
a
fell.
little bit of eggs, and then wheat bread, French bread, and then more Mars, and then the eggs. Let's start to look back. They're cooking.
What are they cooking?
Wait, I see there's another chair. You can sit on your chair.
What are you guys doing?
She's teaching me yoga. Don't sit on mommy. Here. I took your chair. You can sit there.
And this is what our camping site looks like.
Okay, yeah, but I'm heading out to go and help out those guys. Cut the fish. Get stuff prepared for everybody shows up later on today. The church. All the church members. So, yep. Once again, guys, this is our camping site. We're at a different location this year or this time. But okay. Okay. Let's take a look around. This is the place where we prepare the fish. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys around. This place it looks like juk. What is juk? See? Anyway, the kids are right there. So yes, I'm gonna show you guys where everybody is. All the kids are just waiting for everybody to get to the beach. Look. Say what's up. Whose house is this? Is that yours?
No.
Whose is it?
Mine.
Oh, that's yours? Huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's my house.
Okay.
Hi. Welcome to my house.
You still like over here or you like Arizona?
I don't know.
Yeah. So, say hi. Say hi. Okay, let's see who's over here. Hi. Good morning. Get out of Oh! Okay, bye guys. Okay, let's go back to cooking. Everybody's just waiting for me. Let's go get the fish ready. Everybody's waiting. The Angarab is waiting for us. Okay, we're back again to the chef of the house, Chris. So you need somebody to cater to you. Ooh, very good fish. You know, hi Boto. Yeah, it's ready. Ooh. I think we need more seasoning on this. Look at that. Like I said, guys, it may look like there's a lot of salt seasoning, but no, that's just the amount of what we need. Yeah, look at all this fish. Yeah, chef. Chef Chris. Yeah, chef, jag kan några market. Jag tar wheat up. Yep, Kato, look at this fish. Yeah. Well, you have to put your coffee. Yeah, the kitchen. This is our, oh, see, more fish.
Yeah, Grandpa kitchen.
Grandpa kitchen. Sort them all up. Don't worry, it may look like it's a lot, but no. That's just the amount of what we need. Oops. Beef patty. Metara. Oh, hamburger patty. Chef, buena chef. Era chef Lee. That's the ngas-ngas. Ngas-ngas. Ira. Let's get a close up. Oh, 보기라.
Nice and crispy.
Quick comment below if you like this or if you eat the heart right there. Ooh, remember that? If you were born and raised in Chuk, and if you remember growing up and eating the heart of the angarap, yeah, that's what it is. Anyway, just a little taste of the fish that's ready.
Good.
Yes. Look at this ice chest. This is a Chuki's modified ice chest. Cooler with Chuki's made insulation. Tin foil and some trash bag. Very hard. I'm going to burn it.
Time for burgers right now.
Chris, look, it's ready. It's ready to be shipped out to
Already?
Yep. China or Japan. Yep. Yep. See? So now
What you got there?
So we're on the second batch. This is hamburger. This is for the kids. So we don't only cook the fish, but we also cook hamburgers to feed the kids. Alright, thank you for watching our food show here in Westport. If you happen to swing by in Westport, please come and join the rest of the crew on the beach so we can all have a good time.
Alright.
And we're out.
Alright, you heard the man. Heard the man. Give it a thumbs up.
Yeah. Kirke chabu. Kecil Seattle flower. Here.
Hey, kaca pichiga racha pagari
Ayos si Po. Look at me. When did you come out?
Huh?
When did you come out?
Here?
Uh-huh.
Like a couple minutes ago.
Yeah. Ketebar. Ketebar Pireiro. Hi girls. So this is where everybody is. Hi Marlon. Look. See? Ida, apa sop kapok? See, short chicken. There's no chicken. All straight fish.
There you go.
That's the reason why we're here. Hi, Austin.
Wow, so it's actually bien. But I talk about it. I gotta go sour.
Hey, what's up, Jonas? Hey, Jonas. Okay, what's up with it? Ito raw aéreo. Ha? Hehe. Okay, let's go see what's going on. Ouch. Meter cardio. Huh? Let's see what we got. Komar, bring it down a little bit.
Iriki, tapioca, potato, tempura, sashimi roll.
Wow, no fish. I mean, no chicken.
No chicken.
All right, that's the rest of the fish. Net is voor pork, nee. Oh, this is the gang. You're gonna have a little chat with your family and you're living. Oh yeah.
Show them your sashimi.
Okay. This is what you call.
This is what?
This is what you call American.
And
Look, so much rice and little bit of hot dog.
And what about yours? That's what? That's an islander food.
Hey?
Yeah.
He's mad.
Who? Austin? Austin, you mad?
Run.
You guys like the food? Even though we don't have chicken? No?
I'm tired of chicken.
Yeah, see? That's the way, man.
I love hot dog.
Yep, that's good. Via good murir ruawa mi chak sa puebo. Okay, fire chak chanin. Akropa sa to giga. Ako. Cek sa okay.
Your stomach is in your eyes.
Now what? No. Over here. Right here.
Austin, are you full? Huh?
This is fine. Okay.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go eat because I'm hungry.
Alright folks, we're back at it again. We're back at it again, folks. Right now I am with Ide. I want to ask you a few questions, if you don't mind, girl. Alright, so what are you eating? Cheeseburger? And I do see that you have some fish in your plate. Is that for you to eat or for decoration or what's going on?
It's for to eat.
It's for you to eat? Are you already eating that?
We're gonna finish our burgers first and then we're gonna eat.
Okay. And to my left here, I have Thelma. Thelma, I see that you just came back from Arizona, right? You came back from Arizona, and how do you like it there?
I like it because it's not as cold as Seattle.
It's not as cold as here.
And
No?
there's lots of places to have Slurpees.
Lots of places to what?
Have Slurpees.
Have what?
Slurpees.
Oh, Slurpees? So what are you eating fish or you're eating burgers? Burger? What? Well, you're not eating fish?
I'm gonna eat fish after.
Oh, you're gonna eat fish after? Okay, that's good. Yeah. You, both of you, you need to eat fish, okay? Because you're from Chuque. Especially you're from Losop. Huh? That's a good representation. From Losop, fish, Losop. Losop, fish. Oops, I mean, Ite and Thelma. Well, thank you very much, you two girls. It's nice to have you on the vlog. I will see you two later on, right? Okay. Yeah, Schmidt. So now everybody's done eating. Schmidt.
Sorry.
Hey, you have to coffee. Let's try to see more of the Seattle Camp. Rabbit chucky, rouses of fish. See, we still have lots of fish. Look at that. Man. Fish, fish, fish. It's not a picture, it's a video. Okay, why you late? Kurang. Hey, Tisosan, go get some burgers. Huh? Where's your dad? Yeah. Go get him. Go get him. Alright guys. So guys, remember a month ago we were at the same spot. So we're back again at the same spot. We're going out to the beach right now. Just having a great time with everybody. The rest of the church members are already down on the beach, so we're gonna go ahead and check them out. So stay tuned, everybody. Lily's in the back. Hello, B-Bones.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog. Alright. Oh boy. We're just having a great time right now. Whew. We're turning black. Just like we already are black. Because we're from the islands. Now we're gonna go get some sun. We've been staying out in the shade, so we gotta, you know, get a little bit of tan. Anyways, guys, dude, this place is awesome. Look at the sand right now. Hold on, okay? See? Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, guys, so after our church gathering right now, or today, then we're gonna head back to camp, and then spend one more night, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna head back home, and then that'll be the end of the weekend. Oh, guys, oh, looks like everybody. There's people barbecuing on the beach. See that? And there's more chookies, and the rest of this gang are here. So look at that. Everybody's having a great time. See? See? Everybody's having a great time. Look at them. Okay, stay away from the copyright. Ever. Yeah, vet jag vad förr? What's happening? Oh. Keep up. Woo. Look. Look, everybody's already out there. Okay. Oh, guys, this place is beautiful. Yugi, you're crazy. Okay. Alright, we gotta go check out some people. Look. See? They're taking pictures. Oh, look at this, man. It's beautiful. Oh, look at them. There. People outside there having a great time. Beautiful. Get it, go up. So go up. Go. Okay, I'm not yet. Okay. Yeah, hurry up, because we gotta look at that.
2, 3.
Okay, hurry up. Thank you. Have a sit then. Okay, so I want you to sit down. Okay, sit down. Everybody get closer, okay? So we can have a clear picture. Okay. But wait, everybody smile at the same time.
Okay.
Okay? Okay? Wait. What? Hey, what's that? Oh boy. Okay, that was a good prank. Call it. What's that? Good morning. Are you ready to head back home? Look at me. Look at me. Are you tired? Huh? Come on, hurry up so we can go. We gotta eat and then we start cleaning up and then we head back home. Hurry up. That's it. That was some karakubukudok. Set tutu. Yeah, run away shit. I put it clean up. Hi Yuki.
Hi.
Come get your breakfast. Morning.
I know. So that was right.
Mark, can you put this? Take the. Can you put this?
I already did my own by myself.
Do I care? Fix it!
Push it. Come push it.
You know, you can just pull it.
You never push it.
I know, but just do pull it. You're taking. You have to untie it.
Morals.
Can I play the? I don't know how to do this.
You don't know how to untie. You gotta be joking. Why did you do it that way? You just made it harder.
Oh my gosh. Okay, wrong boss.
Take this. You're actually recording. Oh.
What?
That's it.
Look at the people over there. Why they're not working? Look at the people over here. The hard workers.
Yes.
Yeah. Bro, you guys, wait.
You still recording?
Oh, stop. Face it to you.
Okay, get. And we're about to, we are cleaning our things. Mars, you got anything to say? What was your favorite part of camp? Yeah, come on, then. Mars?
Yeah.
You got anything to say?
What?
What was your favorite part of camp?
The end. Matt's playing. I just play. I like to sleep in the tents. You know.
How about Hawaii? What was your favorite?
Sleep outdoors.
What was your favorite part? What was your favorite part of the camp?
Camp.
Huh?
Camp.
Oh. Austin, how about you?
I said that.
Swimming.
Just kidding. I like going to the beach too.
Swimming! You like going to the beach? You like swimming? Yamzu. Yamzy. Hey Emilio, what was your favorite part of camp?
Eating food.
Okay. What was your favorite part of camp?
The food part. Sleeping on her air mattress.
Oh, yeah, air mattress. Wow.
Dad, what was your favorite part of camp?
This is my favorite part of the camp.
What?
Right here. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Hold on. Just give me a second. This is the aisle. And this is my favorite part of the camping style.
McBang.
Eh.
Yeah. What are you guys doing in your Martian car? Yeah, we all put it in.
I'm gonna do a magic trick.
Hey guys, everybody get out of the
Era el Kika. I'm gonna tell you that si no quiere, todavía pongo.
Hey, you guys come on so you guys can sing his birthday
Se sirve nando toda su vamos a Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emilio. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. This one.
Whoa!
Let me wear.
Take a candle now.
Okay, if you want it.
Nope, too late now.
Money for cut. Nay. I'm just gonna eat it. I'm gonna talk too. Wait. Cut the cake so they can. Really nice.
It looks like Lala.
Jonas. And why did you have to do two? Because I wanted. I wanted to.
Can you turn off the camera?
What's up, guys?
Robin Rain.
Hey, walk to the I put it's
Yeah, I.
Alright guys, we are on our way back to our home, and this is take a last look of our campsite. It was a fun trip, and you guys got anything to say?
No, but yeah, we had a good time. Bye bye campsite. We'll see you next year.
Mars.